my second time, but first time playing with someone else.
Yeah.
Yo, why do you look like that?
Look like what? I don't know. You look like me,
Why
but
do we
you're
look,
pink.
why
You can't judge me.
I'm gonna judge you. I'm pink. I'm pretty princess. Is coffee? Coffee's ready. Pete Cone Brown here for my appointment. I actually don't know how this works. I forgot. Get over here.
Oh, I should probably...
Inspect the photo. Make sure it looks like them.
Yeah, that looks fine.
Camera's offline. Okay. I got room 1. Well, no, duh. Yeah, wait, no.
How about you go deal with the patients and I'll deal with customer service.
Wow. Customer service. I mean, I have played this before, so I know how to do the customer service part. I'm not the customer service. I do also know how to do the customer service.
You literally said you just forgot.
Yeah, no, I forgot how to, like,
Hi,
spot
Daisy.
an anomaly.
Your appointment. Okay.
Thank you for finishing. What do you want? Stomach ache? What was that again? Herbs. Right, forgot. Give me the herbs. Okay, treated the patient. Doing good?
Yeah. Here you go.
Room 2.
Go! Sorry, that was loud.
Want to see me work?
No.
Why not? Because you have nothing to do right now.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I can't get on the counter?
No. Oh, and also, later, not to spoil anything, there will be an operation room
Okay.
where you have less than a minute to do, like, tons of tasks. And it sucks. At least solo, it sucks. Dried eyes? Eye drops? Okay. Take this. Now get out of my face. Doctor is arriving. Be professional, be professional.
Kind of hard when his briefcase is clipping into his leg. Hi.
Okay. I'll fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Okay. So now the shutters work, so we can close it on someone that seems like an anomaly.
Mm-hmm.
Or we can take them in and kill them.
Yeah.
And now the cameras also are working, so I'll check the cameras.
Bro, why are you hitting that pose?
Pause. Hi, buddy. Well,
Hi, sir.
go there. Actually, I'll go. Because I don't have coffee to give him. I drank my coffee. I drank the coffee, so I have to do this. I'll sacrifice. Okay. Now I have 60, so I need...
Yep.
They seem normal.
Yep.
On the cameras.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, get out. Get out, you weird blue thing.
It's Blue's Clues! It's Blue's
Oh my God,
Clues!
it's the Dr. Blue's Clues. Okay.
Alright, go. Go to room 2
When you... Oh my God, the mouse! I don't know what the mouse is. I would say treat it. Bring it through. Because I actually kind of like this mouse.
I see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You just gotta wait for him to finish. Finalizing, what do you need? You're bleeding and you need sugar.
Yeah, you look fine. Buck
Bleeding?
teeth.
Check the cameras. Get used to checking the cameras to make sure that they don't... Oh, go back. Yeah, you gotta check the cameras and make sure that they don't look different in the cameras than they do in the thing. Because I've seen that.
There you go.
Yeah. Thanks. Be in room 3. Okay. You're a little... You're fun. I like you. Oh, by the way, coffee, can I have it?
Nope.
Like, after it's done brewing? Because I have less sanity than you.
Yeah.
Come
I
on,
just said
get
nope
to
because
room-
it's brewing
Get to
right
room
now.
3. Go to room 3. Slowpoke. Thanks, Doc. I'm not a doctor, but okay.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy. Take DNA sample. Analyze. Look normal, right?
Yep.
Okay. Picture looks normal, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Dehydration. What do you need for dehydration? Oh, IV drops. Got it. Let me out.
Go to room 4. Alright, the coffee's ready.
Okay, I'll come and get it in a second. Because people in the rooms, as long as they don't have a timer, they're fine. They can wait.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm sorry. The coffee was clipping behind your mouth. On my end. Is that a okay, I need to stop.
Okay.
I need to stop.
Thank you, doctor. Yep. No problem. Bye-bye, chicken Popeyes.
Wow.
I don't know why I just started saying
I don't know.
what do you need? Bleeding? You're bleeding. You need a bandage.
Pretty sure his name is like Rathy or something. Rat. Yeah, that. Ratthew.
He's a rat.
Really?
The doctor is arriving. Coming. Get here.
Don't mind me.
What the fuck are you doing? Stop. Okay.
Dude.
We're opening new facilities for you.
Okay.
The supplies shop will be open for a limited time each shift.
Okay. I sound so interested.
Yeah.
Just okay.
We have the supplies. Is that all? No new hall or anything.
Nope.
Okay. I want to see where he goes. Oh, you just clip into that. Okay. Well. Oh, our hospital performance is good. I don't know. Hey, buddy, why are you not talking? Let me check the cameras. Exit. That's the same on the cameras.
Yeah, you look fine.
Your head's not glitching out or nothing.
You're not trying to bite people with your abnormally long teeth.
Speed rooms. Visitor check-in faster. Extra window. No, thank you. Not extra window. Are the myths real? Don't know.
Hi, sir. Hey. What's goody? Okie doke.
Yeah, they look the same on the cameras. I'm gonna go treat the person. They're in room 4.
You look fine. Okay.
Go room 6.
Yep.
I'm not about to go over there. Oh, hi, buddy.
Go deal with your patients.
Okay, I'll go back to room 4. I am not about to go into room 6, though. I don't really like it in there. Finalizing. What do you need? DNA result. The thing that it says is, I'm pretty sure it says Canadian. It needs maple syrup. Okay, they're treated. Go to the person in 6.
They're gonna go to room 8.
That person's going to room 8.
Yeah.
Mother, you're gonna come with me.
Why?
It sucks in there. That's why.
You need emotional support. Hi. Okay.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
Yeah, you look fine.
Okay, that works. Your Canadian dry eyes and headache. Oh my god, someone fainted. Pick them up, pick them up. Maple syrup, eye drops. Yeah, bring them to where they need. Maple syrup, eye drops, medicine. Maple syrup, eye drops,
There you go.
medicine.
Oh!
You good, bro?
There was a thing in the walls. It tickled my toes. It's okay.
Is your sanity go? Oh yeah, your sanity's way lower than mine. Okay, you're the next one up for getting coffee.
Alright.
I would say don't take it yet. Oh my god, he's back.
Hi, Rathue. I think your name is Rathue.
Okay, remember, gang, we gotta do the 8 at some point.
Yeah.
I am not about to do that alone, because that was stressful. And I'm also pretty sure I killed someone.
Oh.
Like,
We are certified professionals, I swear.
Listen, okay, there's 2 different things that look the exact same. Not the exact same. I just get them mixed up.
There you go.
And other people get them mixed up too.
Yeah, his name is Rathue. I knew it.
Medicine and thermal. Where's medicine? What does medicine look like again? Hey, buddy.
Hey, dude. Oh, you waved to me. Huh? That's a little odd.
That's not, no. Hey! Oh, you're visiting! Aw, little cutie. Visiting.
You're tweaking a little bit, sir.
Who is that?
Hmm.
Yeah, bring him in. Come and watch me. Like, bring him in.
No, he's in. It's not supposed to be in here, though.
No. We're gonna kill him. You're gonna be in room 5? Okay, come. Follow me. Into room 5.
Hurry up, you're slow.
Let's hope that he doesn't want herbs.
Come on, sir.
Actually, I'll just get what he... Oh, the bed monster's here. Don't immediately give it to him. Just wait. Let me open the door. Okay, there we go. Now come in. You... Why did you do that?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I gave him maple syrup.
Bro. You can just walk around him.
Yeah, I know.
He has a fever. Don't give him what he wants. Let's give him a bandage. Come here. Come back here.
Okay.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
No, come on. Let's go do 8. Oh, shoot. Wait. Oopsies.
Dude, they've just been sitting in here.
Yeah, they've been sitting here this entire time. So, get ready. Okay, you ready for this?
Mhm.
Read the board carefully and actually pick the correct thing. Medicine. This one. Give it to them. Got it. Scalpel got it. Bandages on your side, yeah. Oh. Stop. Scalpel.
Antibiotics.
We got this. No. We got this. Yeah. They're completed. Oh my god. That was like stressful. Did not like that. Okay, the doctor's arriving. Get your coffee.
Oh, yeah, my coffee, my bad.
Some patients may seem unstable. You think? Make sure to use the photo and cameras. Stay alert. I will unlock the taser. Use it wisely. Don't use it on everyone. 'Cause if you do, then we're done. We're done for. Our hospital performance was good. Why? It's fine. It doesn't really matter. I was still the best.
I'm customer service, dude. Hey.
Sup? I'm Tommy Tanka.
Go.
Fuck.
Go.
I don't do anything. I can't do anything. I want to check it's on the patient.
I'm customer service.
Stop.
Customer service.
Sorry, the cameras were... What? No service? Yeah, bruv, you're literally an anomaly. He opened his mouth like...
Wow.
Practically at you.
Hi,
bruv.
sir. There's a patient.
He has
Cool.
prints, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Just double checking that they look the same on the cameras.
Yeah, you look fine.
Yep. From what I can see, you're okay.
All right, go deal with him.
Okay.
He's very slow, but it's okay.
Thanks. I'll be in room 1. Oh. Yeah, just close the thing. Close the thing now. How do you clean the goop again? To make it so it...
I don't know.
I'm gonna just clean it this time.
Hey there. Man, we don't have coffee right now.
Yeah, just leave him there. Actually, maybe say no service. Because we don't have coffee. Or,
Sure, you're gonna have to wait about 30 seconds, dude.
okay, yeah. No, don't say no service. Ointment.
He looks very
Oh, by the way, that
sophisticated.
guy's an anomaly.
Huh?
Him.
Mm.
I'm pretty sure he's an anomaly. You find that out. No other patients? Because that guy's holding it up.
Yup.
Oh, by the way, when you get the coffee, drink 2 of it. Because
Okay.
there's 3. Drink 2 of it. He'll still take it. Okay, go give it to him. You got this. Thanks, friend. I needed that.
Get out of here, Barney.
I'll remember this. Barney is a dinosaur from our
Shut up.
imagination.
What are you doing?
Barney is a dinosaur.
You're not a patient. Get out of here. Go deal with the patients.
Hello. Well,
Hey.
I don't think there's any patients. Yeah. You were just waiting on that guy, kind of. Oh, and this guy.
Hey, dude. Okay.
Doesn't seem weird on the cameras. I checked
he's
the
fine.
cameras.
can check the cameras. It's fine. Stop jumping on him. Leave him alone. Go.
Room 4. Okay, don't care. Hurry up. Oh. Yo, Ron from accounting. My name's Ron from accounting.
Hey, dude.
You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? No.
No.
Never mind. Just give me that top secret case. I think Ron from accounting's okay, my guy. I don't think you really need to check.
Ron from accounting looks like he's just tired of this.
Yeah, he probably is.
That's not my problem, though. Alright, go.
Room 5. Oh. Rash?
Oh my god.
You good, bro? Pause. Hold on. No. Don't get rid of him yet. I need to see that for myself. No. Pause. I need to see this for myself. Oh my god.
Look at the cameras.
Pause.
I have the right to refuse service.
What? No service? Yeah. I'm leaving. Okay, I don't care.
Oh my god.
Buddy, you look like a toothpick.
He's okay, guys. I swear.
You look like multiple toothpicks combined together all at once.
I was just trying to watch you on the cameras. And then I saw him.
Dried eyes.
You look fine.
Oh, my screen recording stopped. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, you're not tickling anybody's toes. You're okay.
I'll just go back and delete a couple screen recordings. Probably this one too.
We have mine.
Except for the long guy, actually, I'm gonna take that into a separate clip and I'm just gonna keep that.
Yeah. That's just hilarious to me. Stop! Go deal with his slowness. Is she coming? What the fuck?
Move.
I did. Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, you look fine.
Hey, you gotta check on the actual direction, like, that's actually in front of your office. Shut.
Yeah, he's fine.
Process. Bleeding and fever. Okay. There are stories about this place. Oh, I saw a video. Did you just make a goo on the floor? Buddy, you can't be doing that. I swear to God, if you start a cult in your room, I'm gonna cry. That actually happened. I was in a solo on this, in one of like 3 solos that I did for this. What was wrong with that guy?
He was squiggly noodle toothpick creature again.
Oh my God.
He looked fine on the photo, but then he was like squiggly noodle toothpick creature.
Oh, don't forget to reopen the blinds
Oh yeah, my bad.
before the new person comes. Or else it'll immediately tell them, hey, we're out of service. The flu?
She's on her way. Okay.
Cough syrup for the flu.
Hey, dude.
Okay. That is a symptom for cough syrup, the flu. Got it. Okay, I ain't got no work, so I'm coming back. I'm going back like a boomerang. Yeah, bro looks okay.
Take him. What's your sanity at?
66. I
Alright.
took the last coffee.
Alright, I'll take next. Get it.
Okay.
What the hell?
Okay, bro. In room 6. Okay. Oh,
Make
it's the
sure
stupid
you're not-
eye monster. Gang, look, it's the eye monster.
Mm.
I don't like it. You can't look up at it. Have you seen the videos where it's like, haha, life hack for this game? For the eye monster, just give it eye drops. No, you lose sanity while giving it eye drops.
Yeah.
Just don't look up. You know, just don't be stupid. Tells you not to look up. Bleeding and flu.
Okay, Matthew, I don't care. People with sick kidneys. I don't care, Matthew.
I didn't. What was he saying?
People with cases are suspicious and blah 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 blah, and there's evil stuff here. Come on in.
This place gives me the creeps. Then why are you coming back here? The fuck? Don't know what that was. Come on in. By the way, you can just jump over the patients.
I love that.
I swear to God, if the ambulance happens, I'm gonna cry.
Look at all these patients, bro.
Oh! So many!
I know.
Flu, headache, and fever. Cough syrup, medicine, thermo. Medicine. Nope. Give me that. Medicine, cough syrup, thermo.
You just need treatment rotation. Good.
Okay. Doctor's arriving. Let me in. Oh, the ambulance is coming.
Cool.
There's been an anomaly attack. There's been a huge anomaly attack. 6 people died and many more were hurt.
I don't care.
Be prepared. The ambulance is coming. Yeah, someone...
I'm sorry.
Where's the... How do we set... Oh. Fire extinguisher. Extinguish fires. I know one time people came in with critical patient in room 3. Mother, you gotta help me.
Okay.
You gotta go to room 2 or 3.
I'll go to room 2. You go room 3.
Okay. Because critical patients, we gotta get those done. I'm in room 3. Come on.
So what do I do after I get a DNA sample?
You go over to the machine over there.
Oh.
And then you just wait for that, and then you go to the machine next to it. Bruises, low sugar, med kit, maple syrup. It'll say what they need above them.
Canadian. So they need maple syrup and eye drops. Excuse me.
Syrup and eye drops.
I got them.
Oh, you can grab 2 things.
Is my inventory full?
Yeah. Maple syrup. I got this.
Yeah, because I still have these from earlier.
We'll go throw them in the trash.
Where's that? Oh, right here.
Okay. Got it. They're both treated. Is anyone at the door? No. Oh, there's someone is someone in room 8. Oh no. Well, we're gonna have to do another operation. Get ready for that.
I'll head over to room 8. I can deal with them.
I really hope no one starts a cult in my rooms.
It'll be okay.
Stomach ache, rash, low sugar. Herbs, ointment, maple syrup. Okay. Ointment, maple syrup, herbs. 1, 2, 3. Activation needed. The flu only? Okay. I got everyone on this side of the hall done, so good. Yo, you completed the surgery. Hell yeah.
Yeah. Told you I got it.
Okay, begin. Oh shoot. Go to room 4.
Room 4.
Grab eye drops and go to room 4.
Okay.
Put out the fires with the eye drops. I found the hack.
Why are people starting a ritual? I'm scared.
I'm also scared.
Hi, sir. I'm sorry. Hi there, sir.
Okay, you gotta take this actually seriously because we only have a tiny bit of time.
I know.
Low sugar.
I'm sorry.
Maple syrup. It's fine if he dies too. I don't care.
Oh, Katie's here.
Okay.